what is our Goldwell Color Can system? Goldwell Color Cans are unique in the professional hair care market and offer several benefits that set them apart from traditional color tubes, such as gaining 50% less residual product waste if we compare our cans to tubes. We also get 27% better utilization of shipping units that allow us to be environmentally friendly in transport. Storage: with our rack system, we have a more compact and cool design color bar. Staining, which is less compared to tubes due to better storage conditions. Now let's see how the Goldwell Color Dispensing Nozzle works. Make sure to use a scale for measuring lotion and color. First, take a Goldwell color bowl or applicator bottle and add the recommended amount of mLs of any Goldwell System Developer lotion. Then pick a Goldwell, Topchic, a Colorance, or Colorance Cover Plus color from our color rack system. Add the Goldwell Color Dispensing Nozzle on the stem of the can. Dispense the recommended amount of color in the color bowl or applicator bottle and mix or shake. It's that simple. After mixing, proceed to your service application. Isn't it amazing how easy that is? What I also love about our Goldwell Color Dispensing Nozzle is that it can stay on the can as you don't have to clean it after every usage. And even when you put it on the color rack, the nozzle won't fall off the cans. If you want to get out the maximum of our can system, check out our Depot System tools. Want to see more? Visit the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel or download the Goldwell Education Plus app. See you there.